In this video, we will explore the diff and patch commands in Linux. These commands are essential for comparing files and applying changes, and are fundamental tools for system administrators and software developers. This video will cover how to use these commands effectively to manage and update your files. The diff command is a powerful utility used to compare files line by line and display the differences between them. It is commonly used for various purposes, such as comparing configuration files to identify changes, tracking code modifications over time, and creating patches that can be applied to update files. The basic syntax for using the diff command to compare two files is diff file1.txt file2.txt. Some common options include the U option, which generates output in a unified format, the C option, which provides a context format, and the I option, which ignores case differences. Let's take a look at the example files. File1.txt contains the lines line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. File2.txt contains the lines line 1, line 2 modified, line 3, new line, and line 5. The standard diff output highlights the changes between these files. The 2C2 indicates a change on line 2. The less than symbol followed by line 2 shows the original line, while the greater than symbol followed by line 2 modified shows the modified line. Similarly, for C4, 5 indicates a change involving line 4. The less than symbol followed by line 4 shows the original line, and the greater than symbol followed by new line and line 5 shows the added lines. The diff command offers different output formats to suit various needs. One common format is the unified format, specified with the U option. This format shows context lines around the changes with plus and minus prefixes. It's more compact and readable, making it easier to understand the modifications. Another format is the context format, specified with the option. This format also shows context lines but uses an exclamation mark for changed lines. It includes more detailed information about the changes, providing additional context for each modification. There are several useful options available with the diff command that enhance its functionality. The I option ignores case differences, making the comparison case insensitive. The B option ignores changes in whitespace, while the W option ignores all whitespace. The B option ignores blank lines, and the R option recursively compares directories. The Q option reports only if files differ, providing a concise summary of the differences. For example, to ignore whitespace differences, you can use the command diff w file1.txt file2.txt. To compare directories recursively, you can use the command diff dir1/dir2/. You can also combine multiple options, such as diff ubbw file1.txt file2.txt. The diff command can compare entire directories to identify files that exist in one directory, but not the other, files with the same name but different content, and subdirectories with differences. A basic directory comparison can be performed using the command diff dir1/dir2/. This will show any unique files and differences in common files. To compare directories recursively, use the command diff dir1/dir2/. This will include differences in subdirectories as well. The patch command applies changes, also known as patches, to files. It works with the output from the diff command to update files, making it an essential tool for applying bug fixes, updating software, sharing code changes, and managing configuration changes. The basic workflow involves creating a patch file using diff, and then applying the patch to update a file. For example, to create a patch file, use the command diff uoriginal.txt modified.txt greater than changes.patch. To apply the patch, use the command patch original.txt less than changes.patch. Let's walk through the process of creating and applying a patch. First, Create a patch file using the command diff original.txt modified.txt greater than changes.patch. Next, examine the patch file by using the command cat_changes.patch. The output will show the changes in a unified format. After creating the patch file, apply the patch using the command patch original.txt less than changes.patch. Finally, verify the changes by using the command cat original.txt. The output will show the updated content of the original file. The patch command includes several useful options that enhance its functionality. The P followed by a number option strips a specified number of leading components from file names. The B option creates backup files before patching. The R option reverses the patch, undoing the changes. The DR option changes to a specified directory first. The --dry-run option tests the patch without modifying files. Finally, the F option forces patching even if the patch seems wrong. For example, to create a backup before patching, use the command patch b original.txt less than changes.patch. To reverse a patch, use the command patch r original.txt less than changes.patch. To test a patch without applying it, use the command patch --dry-run original txt less than changes.patch. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using diff and patch. Always use the unified format for patches as it is more readable and context-aware. Create backups with B before applying patches to important files. Test patches with --dry-run before applying them. Include enough context lines in patches for reliable application. Use descriptive patch file names that indicate what changes they contain. For complex changes, split into multiple smaller logical patches. In summary, the diff and patch commands are powerful tools for comparing files and directories, creating standardized change files, applying changes across systems, managing configuration differences, and collaborating on code changes. These tools form the foundation of version control systems and are essential for system administration and software development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.